Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen upgrades with a review of the Kraus KPF-1603BG Artec Pro 2-function commercial-style pre-rinse kitchen faucet. If you're looking to enhance both the functionality and style of your kitchen, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Now, let's get into it. Kraus, upgrade your kitchen to professional style with the all-metal Artec Pro kitchen faucet featuring heavy-duty all-metal construction with an open coil spring spout. The multifunctional design includes a rotating pot filler for filling tall pitchers and large pots and a pre-rinse sprayer that blasts away tough residue. Soft rubber nozzles allow you to wipe away mineral buildup, ensuring lasting performance and a powerful flow. Magnetic docking snaps the spray head back into place for a secure hold, offering maximum efficiency for everyday tasks. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Kraus KPF-1603BG Artec Pro 2-function commercial style pre-rinse kitchen faucet. Brushed gold finish creates a high-end look with a rich, warm feel that plays well against cool and neutral tones. Wear-resistant, finish will not fade or tarnish over time. Available in multiple single-tone and two-tone finish options so you can create a look you love. 2-function faucet pot filler provides aerated stream to fill large pots and pitchers. Pre-rinse sprayer offers a powerful spray to blast away tough food residue. Magnetic docking snaps spray head back into place for a secure hold. Easy clean rubber nozzles allow you to wipe away mineral build up for a strong, long-lasting flow. Durable all-metal construction with solid brass body and stainless steel spring spout. High arc spout swivels 360 for a full range of motion, offers ample clearance for cleaning your largest cookware. Dimensions: faucet height 24 3/4 in, spout height 6 5/8 in, spout reach 7 5/8 in, sprayer height 11 1/4 in, sprayer reach 7 1/8 in. Lifetime limited warranty covers faucet and finish for quality you can trust. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Kraus KPF-1603BG Artec Pro 2-function commercial-style pre-rinse kitchen faucet. Pros: multifunctional design, durable construction, high arc spout, 360 swivel, magnetic docking, easy clean rubber nozzles, stylish design. Cons: bulkier design, battery-powered spray head optional. Overall, the Kraus KPF-1603BG Artec Pro 2-function commercial-style pre-rinse kitchen faucet offers high functionality and a sleek design, but potential buyers should consider factors like size, price, and maintenance needs before making a purchase decision. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Kraus KPF-1603BG Artec Pro 2-function commercial-style pre-rinse kitchen faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.